Hello, my name is Mohammed Asruddin, and I will be today giving you a demonstration about what exactly is a search engine marketing. So in today's demonstration, I would like to give you a brief overview of how the search engine marketing works, what are the different ways we have in the search engine marketing. Before going into the detail, let me just tell you about myself. I'm Mohammed Asruddin, and I'm actually a certified professional in Google Adwords, and my certifications are in search engine marketing as well as in digital marketing, that is in display marketing, and I'm having totally 8 years of experience in the field of digital marketing. And you can just have a look at my certifications which have been published by Google, from where I have taken it from my account. This is one of the certification for display marketing, and one more certification, this is for the search marketing. So these are my certifications. Okay, so first of all, let us understand what is the purpose of the concept of search engine marketing. What is the reason why you use the concept of search engine marketing? If you take any dictionary, or if you just see in Wikipedia, the definition of search engine marketing is defined as to promote your website or to increase the traffic for your website. The methodology used is nothing but search engine marketing. That is, in simple terms, a technique to promote the website on search engines using organic and paid listing. That means to say, the purpose of search engine marketing is to generate traffic to our website, to generate more and more visitors to our website using the two methods. One is called as the organic method, which is also called as search engine optimization, and other method is paid listing. So to explain you about the AdWords, first we should understand how these two options will work. Then I can explain you about the concept of AdWords and how exactly it works. So first of all, I have did a query on the Google for the keyword laptops. I have did a query on the Google for the keyword laptops. So when I did a query, Google has given me some results. But you see, for every specific query, if there are advertisers who are willing to pay money to the Google, you will be seeing those ads in the top position like this. If you can have a look at this particular point here, I have got the top ad of Dell, then I have got an ad of Amazon, and then Flipkart. And if you see on the right hand side as well, Google recently has also added a new feature which is called as a paid shopping ads, and on the right side, I am able to see around 8 ads related from the Google shopping, that is shop for laptops on Google. And apart from that, if you see the two results which I have got from the first fold are nothing but organic results. So the basic idea behind the marketing is that if we want to get traffic and generate traffic for our website without investing any money, but we would like to follow the guidelines of Google, we want to follow the guidelines of every search engine, then we can able to get our site on the top results here with the help of organic SEO. Whereas if our website is not up to the quality, it's not up to the mark, and it will take some certain months and years of time to get onto the search engine optimization, in that particular case, most of the people prefer using the paid advertisement or paid ads. If you see, the next point is the tool which we use in general for paid marketing on Google is nothing but Google Adwords. Now first of all, let us understand what is this system useful for, why we have to use the concept of Google Adwords, and how it will be helpful for us in a real-time scenario. Now in simple terms, if you want to advertise on Google search, or if you want to advertise on any search partners of Google like ask.com, this is the search partner of Google, or you want to advertise on Sifi.com, you want to advertise on AOL.com, and many more different partners are there who have been collaborated with Google to provide the search results to their customers. So if I want to target any of this particular website, or I want to target the Google search directly, then I have to use the product provided by Google with the name Google AdWords. And at the same time, we also have another methodology where we can also target Google by using the concept of display advertising or display marketing. For that example, I have just taken a screenshot example here. If you see, when you open the website of Way to SMS, we can see there is an ad on the top, there is an ad on the bottom, and if you can see here, there is an ad on the left side. So basically, what is this advertisement? It's nothing but banner advertising using the concept of the display marketing. So these are the two methods, the two major methods by which we can use what is the tool we use is the Google AdWords. So here in our institution, we are offering the professional AdWords training, along with we are offering the certification concepts, as well as we will be explaining to every student how this certification works, what are the things skills we have to learn in the certification, and how can we actually achieve this particular certification. So here, the next point I can explain you here is, if you can have a look at this particular slide. Okay, the next thing I have actually given in the slide is what are the ways I can advertise in AdWords. Now if you see, I'll explain you briefly about these ways, because in our AdWords curriculum also we have to learn about this entire concept. The first thing we have is pay-per-click marketing. Now what is pay-per-click marketing? What is the use of this pay-per-click marketing and how it is useful in a real-time scenario? Let me give you an example of what is pay-per-click marketing. Now if you see, for example, there is a visitor available on search. He came on the search and he typed in the query, for example, say laptops. Now how this pay-per-click works is basically, if the person click on the advertisement which is being listed by the particular company, whenever the particular user clicks on this ad, automatically the company will generate a visitor. At the same time, some amount will be deducted from their particular account. So PPC marketing is getting the target user for your bidding price, for your exactly chosen keyword. That is nothing but the concept of pay-per-click advertising. The second thing we have is Google shopping ads. Now basically Google has integrated for India as well. That previously this feature was available for UK and US customers, but recently they have added this for the Google shopping ads for the Indian customers. What is the shopping ads exactly mean is, for example, for any query which is related to something, a product is available on Google search. For example, if you see, I am looking for laptops. So there are so many products advertised by different companies on Google shopping, so that particular listing is coming on the right side. And at the same time, if you see another query I can use here, say for example shoes, there are so many advertisers who are actually like Myntra.com, Flipkart.com, who are actually advertising on the Google shopping. For that reason these ads are displayed here. So we will learn in AdWords about how to do pay-per-click marketing. Also we will discuss about how to do the concept of this Google shopping advertisement. And next we will move on to the next topic. The next thing we have here is the display advertisement. What is display advertisement is, if the client is looking for a huge exposure and the client is looking for the branding point of view, that is, the client says, I want to have lot of visitors, I want to make my brand completely famous on the web, and I want to bring as many people as to my website, they should know about my website, then the way I can use is the display marketing. What is display marketing is, in simple ways, we are going to target those people who are actually based on our related website. For example, if I'm advertising for laptops, so my point will be any website which deals with laptop. For example, if it is a technical magazine or if it is a weekly computer magazine, then I would like to advertise my website, my particular add-on to that particular website. So that particular targeting is nothing but, it is called as a display network marketing, or you can say display advertisement. The next option we have is remarketing. You may have seen in many cases that if you visit a specific website, when you suppose you go on to say for example Jabong.com, you visited few products of Jabong.com. After visiting some pages of Jabong.com, you have left out without purchasing anything, without purchasing or taking any product. Then what happens is, if suppose you move on to another website, from Jabong.com you have closed the browser and you have again reopened the browser, the same browser, and you went to another website, then Jabong.com ads will follow you. Whatever the website you visit, Jabong.com ads will follow you. This concept is being integrated in AdWords with a name called as remarketing, which is nothing but retargeting the visitors of our site who left our site without purchasing any product, without purchasing any specific element. Then we have a video marketing concept, that is nothing but how to advertise ourselves, how to advertise our business on YouTube using different types of ad formats. For example, if you see in some of the news channels, the moment you open a video, you will be seeing some streaming video of 19 to 20 seconds, a streaming video will come. That is one option. If you see on the YouTube, you will see when someone search on YouTube, will be getting top featured results. That is one method of advertising on YouTube. On the right side of the channel, we will be getting certain ads. So there are different ways in YouTube, and we are going to learn about what are the different ways of marketing on YouTube, different types of ad formats as well. And then we will be discussing about mobile marketing, because in nowadays we can say the smartphones and mobile has been used by billions of users all over the world. So one of the major tactic every business is now doing is they are targeting the consumers by using the concept of mobile apps, by using advertising on the mobile apps, by offering some free apps and free information to the user. We can able to actually promote our business and promote our different concepts related to mobile using the concept of mobile advertising or mobile marketing. This is the basic way we can use the AdWords for different channels. You got the understanding that the AdWords is not just PPC. Many people think AdWords means putting your ad on Google search. It's not like that. AdWords has been expanded from many years into different verticals to make sure they can able to target each and every vertical in a very detailed way, so that the advertiser will get the 360 degrees view of targeting all the channels and getting as many users as possible to his website. And here in our institution we have a very detailed AdWords curriculum wherein we are covering all the concepts from a beginner level. That is, if you doesn't have any idea of AdWords, even that person can join our course. If you have some basic idea of campaign management, even that person can join our course and learn the professional methods and professional tools and how can we optimize our account and how can I make our account more and more optimized to get more and more traffic to our website. So I have the details here. What are the different things we are going to study? We are going to teach you in the concept of AdWords curriculum. The first thing I am going to teach you in the curriculum will be the introduction to AdWords. Now, what is AdWords? Basically, we will study about the various terminology. We will study about the various concepts of account structure of advertisement. We will be studying about the basic terminology available in the AdWords, as well as we go through the billing concepts, and we will see the entire structuring of the AdWords account in our first module, that is introduction to AdWords. The second module is account setup and billing, where we will study about how do we manage our account on AdWords. If suppose I'm a company, let's take for example I'm having 50 different clients and all my 50 different clients wants an individual account. So how do I manage this account setup? Like for each client, should I create an individual account? And if I create individual account, how do I manage them all together in one master panel? And how do I manage the billing? What are the different types of billings available in our AdWords system? We are going to discuss about that in detail in the module number 2. And module number 3, we will study about the campaign setup and campaign management. Now you see the fundamental AdWords technique is based on campaign. That is, a campaign can be targeted to mobile devices, a campaign can be targeted to specific location, a campaign can be targeted to a specific language users. So the campaign is the most crucial part. So we will be spending the most of our time, that's the most part of our curriculum, working on the campaign system. So I will be giving very important discussion on the concept of campaign setup. Then inside the campaign we will be working with ad groups and keywords. Basically, what is ad groups and keywords we will work is, we are going to discuss about what are the different ways of doing research, what are the different types of matches in keyword, how do we increase our position of the keyword without actually spending much on the advertisement. That concepts we will be discussing in the AdWords keyword. And then we will be discussing about what are the formats of ads available in Google, like what are the different ways of advertisement, what are the different methods of advertisement, and what are the character limits we have, what are the images we use, and what are the different limitations we have in the ads, what type of category of ads we can advertise, what type of words we can use in the advertisement. That concepts we will discuss in the module that is ad formats and guidelines. Then we will discuss about bidding strategies. In AdWords, we have different types of bidding strategies. Like I can be able to get more visitors. I will have a different strategy. If I want to show my advertisement only to those people who can get converted, that is based on the conversions also, we have bidding strategies. We will be discussing in detail about this particular concepts. At the same time, apart from this basic search marketing campaign, we will be discussing about the display network marketing. We will be discussing about the video marketing. We will be discussing about the remarketing campaign as well, with all the details. And each and every concept we will be covering in detail in practical point of view. And at the end, we will study about, let's take for example, I am actually advertising on Google AdWords, and my client says that, okay, you have did a lot of advertising, but can you show me what is the result I have got from the advertisement? Like say, client is spending say 1 lakh rupees per month. If you are spending 1 lakh per month, he may ask us a question, you have been getting so many visitors, how many people has got converted, that is how many people has filled the form, or how many people has taken desired action on your website. So we can able to give that information by using the concept of conversion tracking and Google Analytics. These are basically a very powerful tools to actually measure how our advertisement is performing. So based on this particular two tools, we can able to give a return over investment metric to our clients, saying that, sir, for this particular amount we have able to get so many users. Out of these users we are able to get so many leads, we are able to get so many page views, and we can able to give further discussion in that analysis using the Google Analytics software. And at the end we also going to discuss about the certification. The basic idea here is, if you learn AdWords, you have to prove that you are a professional, you have to prove that you have a in-depth knowledge and professional knowledge. So in this particular point of view, Google has actually introduced the certification program. The purpose of this program is the person has to clear his AdWords certification exam. The way I have shown you the certifications, so we have to write an online exam. Basically now Google is offering this exam via the Google partner. So once we get a Google partner, once we go get a particular Google partner on behalf of him, behalf of that company, we have to write the AdWords exam, wherein the exam will consist of basically 3 papers. I'll just give a brief overview about the exams. So we will be having 3 exams in AdWords certification. Out of that, the first will be the fundamental exam, and the second one will be the search advanced exam, and the third one will be the display advanced exam. So if you want to be a qualified person, you want to be a qualified professional, you have to mandatory is to clear the fundamental exam. Then out of these 2 exams, any one exam if you qualify, you can able to get the Google Certified Professional certification. That will be a very big added advantage for your learning experience, as well as you can get better opportunities in the real time because of this particular certification. And at the end, also in our institution, we will be conducting a basic examination as well, because I have gone through many different exams here. I have written the exam in different ways, as well as I have a knowledge of in-depth different modules which are provided by the Google AdWords in their exam guide. So I have researched and I have studied that particular guide in detail, and also have prepared some examination questions based on my own experience, and also the analysis of the Google guides which have been provided in the Google AdWords certification page. So based on that, we will also give you a sample exam. Once you clear that exam will be basically 100 questions will be given to you. For that 100 questions, you have to write the answer, and at the end of this exam, you will get a confidence that yes, I can able to sit for an examination, I can able to write and clear the Google certification. That type of confidence level I can able to give you by my particular training in the Google AdWords. So this is a brief overview of what we are going to cover in the Google AdWords. That is starting from the concept of basic to the certification exam we are going to discuss in our curriculum. And at the end, if you want to go further, you can actually comment on our videos, or you can share our videos on Facebook and Twitter and other social networking sites. At the same time, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates, because we are going to create a new video every week, so that you can able to subscribe to our videos to get more and more information about the various fields of digital marketing as well as other topics. At the end, if you are looking for a demo, if you want to listen a demo in live in attending our session here, you can call in our number and you can able to attend the demo. Or further details, you can go to www.webtrainings.in, and you can able to see in detail about the PPC training program which is offered by Web Trainings Academy. Thank you very much for listening the demo.